If you are wondering if you can play PUBG on a Redmi A7 Pro, then the answer is yes, you should be able to play the game. And the game somewhat runs fine, it's not too bad, honestly. It feels pretty okay. You should definitely be able to somewhat enjoy the game, although I have to say that I had a little bit of trouble joining the game. I mean, the game starts just fine, but it takes some time to actually load the game. Maybe I was just unlucky to do that. But once you get in, you should be able to somewhat play the game. I don't see any major issues with the gameplay though. I don't see any FPS drops really. If we open the game turbo, let's see if I can actually open it over here. We can also toggle the gamer boost, of course, and we should be able to get approximately 60 frames per second pretty much all the time, although sometimes you can feel these drops. So at some points when there's a lots of things going on at the given moment, you will definitely feel it, that the game might slow down quite a bit. I'm gonna also show you the graphics settings that are set by the game by default. I assume that you can still adjust them slightly to make it run slightly better. So you can see that in combat the graphics are set to smooth and the frame rate is set to ultra, but of course we can go to customize if you want to make some adjustments here and there, so be sure to check that out. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.